Your adventure, if you choose to accept it, is find the ghost of power. This magical pumpkin will help guide the way. Take him with us. Let's go. Welcome to Star Uniforce.
The first episode on YouTube.
The first episode ever on YouTube. These are the members, Elena and Cooper. So at Star Uniforce, we go on adventures. And what else do we do?
We signed in new members to be in Star Uniforce.
That's right, we find new members to go in Star Uniforce. The first order of business today is new member initiation and voting. Who do you have? Who is the first one?
Mr. Pickle.
Mr. Pickle, please come on top. Cooper, what do you have to say about Mr. Pickle?
I like him and I got him from the boardwalk.
The boardwalk at Seaside Heights, New Jersey? Okay, do you have anything to say about Mr. Pickle?
He's really cute and he has his name on him.
In order for Mr. Pickle to be in Star Uniforce, he needs 2 yes votes. And there's 3 of us. Cooper, Elena, and me, the mothership. Who's the first one to vote? Cooper, you vote. Do you vote yes?
Yes.
Elena, do you vote yes?
Yes.
Congratulations, Mr. Pickle. Although I was gonna vote no, you're still in Star Uniforce. Congratulations. Your adventure, if you choose to accept it, is find the ghost of power. Power. The ghost of power.
We can't find it. We lost it forever.
What has happened to the ghost of power? You lost it in less than 1 day. We've been looking for the ghost of power for how long?
100 years.
100 years. Me, the mothership, is going to guide you on an adventure to find
Magical ghost of power.
this magical pumpkin will help guide the way. Take him with us. Let's go. Please walk carefully.
Why?
Because the last Star Uniforce member we had fell down the stairs. He's no longer with us.
Wait, what happened?
He's gone. He fell into the abyss.
Who was it?
I can't tell you about Billy Bob. Oh no, I did. Ooh, look. Scary. Ooh, look. Pumpkins.
Oh my gosh!
Ooh, look, a scary tree.
Oh my gosh! What happened to Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse broke in half. He must be cursed as well. Let's look this way. Come on. Okay, Elena, do you have a nominee for Star Uniforce?
Yeah, a unicorn plushie. Hello.
Can you tell us something about Unicorn Plushine?
I think I got it from Valentine's Day from my brother.
You think?
I think so.
Anything else you want to say about Star Plushine? Unicorn Plushine?
It can fly.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Okay, Cooper, do you have anything to say about Unicorn Plushine?
No.
Okay, Elena, since you nominated Unicorn Plushine, I need you to vote first. What do you vote?
Yes.
Cooper, what do you vote?
No.
He votes no, the thumbs down. What does that mean? I have ultimate power as always. What do I say?
What are you doing?
Thinking. Okay, I vote yes. You're in, Unicorn Plushine. Wait a second. Look, it's a scary ghost. It's a scary witch.
Why'd you mess up to say scary ghost?
Is that the ghost right there?
Oh!
No, it's a ghost mask.
Ah!
What about those ghosts right there?
Those are not it. That's not it. That's not the ghost. It has googly eyes.
What's in here? More toys. Go figure.
That's a Roblox figure.
Okay.
And with zombies in it. There's a spider on it. Ah!
Spiders.
Got that.
What is that? Where do you lift them?
I ripped off his arm
he in the house?
I can make it look
Is he in this
sillier.
house? One of these houses? Sure. Cooper, who is your next nominee?
Jack Skellington.
Jack Skellington.
He's from the movie. Oh, I like Christmas more than Halloween.
What?
He's a Halloween character, and I like the way he looks.
Oh, anything else, Cooper?
And he also has twisty arms and legs.
Oh. Elena, do you have anything to say about Jack Skellington?
Yes.
What?
He has a girlfriend.
What?
Yeah.
Who's his girlfriend?
I think it's like a Frankenstein. Yeah, it's a weird. Yeah, it's a Frankenstein girl.
Okay, Cooper, you're going to be voting first. What do you vote?
Yes.
Okay, good. What do you vote, Elena?
Yes.
Congratulations, Jack Skellington. You're in Star Uniforce.
Yay.
Next, Elena, who do you have? Mousy. Can you tell us about Mousy, please?
Yeah, she can fly, but she can fart rainbows out while she's flying.
Oh. Man, that's gross.
Well, anyways, it doesn't stink. It doesn't stink. Her smell of her fart is cotton candy smell.
All right, Cooper, do you have anything
And
to say
a
about
fart.
Mousy?
She's cute.
She's cute. Well, that helps. All right, Elena, what do you vote?
Yeah! She's
Thumbs
gonna
up.
get in.
Cooper, what do you vote?
This is Don't say no! This is a tough one. This is it. Ready, set, go! No!
Cooper votes no. I cast the deciding vote, and I vote yes!
Yeah!
Yes! 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 Yes!
Cotton candy is gonna go everywhere! I
You
found
want one
it.
journal?
Yes.
Maybe it tells us where it is in there.
Well, I guess there's nothing in my journal. Guys, there's a note. Well, guess what's in there? Like,
All right, 2 more votes. Go ahead, Cooper. Who do you got?
monkey body, monkey body.
Okay.
I love them, and I love them so much. They're my friends.
Do you vote yes for the monkeys or no for the monkeys, Elena?
Well, I want to say something about them first.
Okay, say something.
They love banana juice. You just blend a banana in a blender. We love bananas. We love banana. Juice.
Cooper, what's your vote?
Yes, I'm getting them in because I love them so much.
Elena, what is your vote?
Yes.
Okay, great job, guys. Monkeys,
Monkey's our friend.
congratulations, you're in Star Uniforce.
Thank you.
This is your last one. Who you have?
I have Gumdrop. Gumdrop is the sister of Mousy.
Gumdrop. Very nice to meet you. You have anything else to say about Gumdrop?
This heart, whenever you hug this reindeer, it gives Christmas spirit to Santa Claus, and then his sleigh goes up in the sky.
We're voting. You voting yes, obviously, Elena. Elena.
Yes!
And Cooper, obviously you're voting no. Cooper voted no for all of your guys, Elena. What do you think of that?
That's not nice.
I will vote the deciding vote, and of course I have to vote yes.
Yay!
Because Cooper votes no for all of Elena's stuff.
No. I'm gonna squish your cheeks whenever you say no to me.
You know, maybe next time you should say no to his.
The magical note appeared, and I'm lost. Keep looking. Spooky, the magical ghost.
Oh my goodness! Spooky the magical ghost left us a message!
Yeah!
Spooky is here! Spooky is here! Oh, this is a great, glorious day! Thanks for watching Star Uniforce Episode 1. We will be back soon with Episode 2. Will we find the magical ghost?
We will find the magical ghost.
What do you think?
Yeah.
We will keep looking, and we will have a very spooky time. This is the mothership. We're out. Goodbye, Star Uniforce. See you later, alligator.